The devotees always feel the Supreme Lord is continuously protecting him, especially protecting him from all different dangers and obstacles that hinders his bhakti for the Lord. So by always remembering Lord Narasimha as a protective feature of the Supreme Lord, who is all-pervading, who is seated in everybody's heart, Ito Narasimha, Parato Narasimha, Yato Yatoyami, Tato Narasimha, Bahe Narasimha, Hridaye Narasimha, Narasimha Madim, Sharanam Prapadye, and surrendering unto him. This is a best way that we can express our gratitude to Narasimha by acknowledging his constant protection. And his protection comes in so many ways which we are not even aware of. We may be aware of only few things which manifest to our consciousness, but the Lord being kind in unlimited ways, even the devotee who is being protected does not know. In unlimited ways, he is constantly protecting the devotees. Such is the merciful nature of this Narasimha Avatara. Lord Narasimha, the form of Vishnu, transcendental form Archa Vigraha, one of his unlimited manifestations on this earth, before our eyes, before our material eyes. And Yajna, the fire, is also Vishnu, who is manifesting in another form. So when we combine the worship of the Lord's transcendental form along with performing Yajna, where the Narasimha mantras are chanted and all other ingredients that are normally offered in an Yajna is also offered here, it's like doubly pleasing Lord Narasimha. So therefore these Yajnas are performed by the devotees to increase the Narasimha consciousness, to increase the feel within us of the presence of Lord Narasimha in his Archa Vigraha. So therefore, it is simply nothing but a way to appreciate the Lord's presence, not only in the visual form but also in the form of the fire, where he consumes all the ingredients offered with devotion unto him. And he is a Yajna Purusha. Fire is a Yajna Purusha. That is a particular avatara of the Lord. So the Lord receives our services in multiple ways. And devotees adopt all possible means to please the Supreme Lord, who is their most dear protector. It is a fact that the Lord reciprocates with his devotees in unlimited ways, day after day in his life. And these are all extraordinary mercy of the Lord coming from the spiritual dimension into our dimension where we are conditioned in this material world. And if we remember each one of these merciful incidences of reciprocation of the Lord will be very pleased, and our relationship grows stronger and stronger. The way the devotees can take maximum benefit in their journey, spiritual journey, benefit out of this reciprocation is by remembering this reciprocation, contemplating how merciful the Lord was. And in this way, our connection, our relationship with our eternal protector, Lord Narasimha, becomes stronger and stronger. And that there is nothing that pleases Lord Narasimha more than the devotee constantly thinking of him. And the devotee, as he goes on, experiencing the reciprocation of Lord Narasimha. His dependence upon the Lord goes on increasing more and more. And the symptom of complete surrender is complete dependence upon the Lord and giving up all other dependence, having faith that nothing protects me other than Lord Narasimha. No faith in money, no faith in anything else in this world, but faith that Lord Narasimha alone is my Rakshaka. He is called the Bhakta Rakshaka.